Welcome to Xavion's playground.
Hi, friends! Today we're going on an adventure.
We're going to ride all kinds of transportation.
Fast ones, big ones, flying ones, floating ones.
Let's buckle up and get going. Vroom, vroom.
Xavion and Lulu are driving their car. Cars have 4 wheels and take people to different places. Vroom, vroom. Buckle up your seatbelt. Can you honk your horn like them? Xavion and Lulu are driving the big yellow school bus. The bus picks up kids and takes them to school. Hold on tight. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Can you say beep beep? Look at Xavion and Lulu pedaling their bikes. Bicycles have 2 wheels, so they're wearing helmets. Ding ding ding. Can you pedal like them? Choo choo. Xavion and Lulu are the train conductors. Trains ride on tracks and take people to faraway places. All aboard. Can you say choo choo? Whoa! Xavion and Lulu are riding a fast motorcycle. They have their helmets on and are holding tight. Vroom! Vroom! Can you say vroom? Xavion and Lulu are zooming on their scooters. They push with one foot and glide with the other. Whee! Can you glide like them? Xavion and Lulu are driving a tractor. Tractors help farmers grow food. Rumble, rumble. Can you make a tractor sound? Watch out! Xavion and Lulu are driving an ambulance. Ambulances take people to the hospital fast. Wee oo, wee oo. Can you say wee oo? Xavion and Lulu are zooming in a police car. Police officers help keep everyone safe. Woo, 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 woo. Can you say woo, woo, woo? Big and strong, Xavion and Lulu are driving a giant truck. Trucks carry heavy things like food and toys. Honk honk, can you honk like a truck? Here come Xavion and Lulu in a fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires and keep people safe. Woo woo! Can you sound the siren? Captain Xavion and Lulu are sailing a big ship. Ships carry a lot of people and cargo across the ocean. Toot, toot, toot! Can you say toot, toot? Xavion and Lulu are paddling a canoe. Canoes move with paddles instead of motors. Swish, swish, swish. Can you row like them? Look, Xavion and Lulu are in a submarine. Submarines go deep underwater to explore the ocean. Blub, blub, blub. Can you pretend to dive? Up, up, and away. Xavion and Lulu are flying a helicopter. Helicopters use big spinning blades. Whir, whir, whir. Can you spin like a helicopter? Xavion and Lulu are the pilots of a big airplane. Xavion airplanes fly high in the sky. Whoosh! Whoosh! Can you spread your arms and fly? Look at Xavion and Lulu floating in a hot air balloon. Balloons rise with hot air. Up, up we go. Can you wave from the sky? Blast off. Xavion and Lulu are zooming into space in a rocket. Rockets go super fast and take astronauts to the stars. 3, 2, 1. Can you say blast off? Whoa! Xavion and Lulu are riding skateboards. They have their helmets on and are rolling fast. Zoom, zoom. Can you balance like them? Xavion and Lulu are skating on roller skates. Way they glide left and right. Wee, wee. Can you skate like them? Brr. Xavion and Lulu zoom down a glittering hill on a wooden sled. Snowflakes stick to their mittens as they whoosh past pine trees. Faster, faster, Lulu giggles. Can you shiver and shout, whoosh, like the icy wind? Clip clop. Xavion and Lulu are riding their horses down the road. Giddy up, giddy up. Can you trot like them?
Wow! That was the best adventure ever!
We rode cars, planes, trains, and even a rocket.
Which one was your favorite?
Let's do it again soon. See you next time.